In Doki Doki Universe, this is you. You're a robot. Sadly, your model is being discontinued. Now, the good news. If you can prove to Alien Jeff that you have some, well, humanity, they won't scrap you. You go to dozens of different kinds of planets. You meet hundreds of the strangest characters. You talk to them, dance with them. You make them love you or hate you. You even take fun personality quizzes. And in the process, you'll learn about yourself. You create your own customized home. And then you can visit your friends' planets and see how different they are from you. From within the game, you can send animated messages to friends on Facebook or even on mobile phones. It's more than a game. It's a free-to-play cross-platform ecosystem. It's a unique universe of personal discovery. It's all about emotional expression.